Congratulations on getting a new roof. You probably have some questions about the process, so we are here to help you prepare for your upcoming build. The day before your roof is installed, we will drop off the materials at your home or the job site. The only exception is a Monday build, in which case we will deliver materials on Monday morning, or if you have a specific request on delivery times. The day before your roof installation, we will send you a text telling you what to expect, along with precautionary guidelines and any other important information. Now for the day of the build. Our crews arrive to start building as early as 6:30 a.m. unless there are local ordinances or community guidelines prohibiting construction work before a specific time. You will need to park cars on the street away from the job site. Be sure they are not in an area where they can be blocked in or keep your driveway clear. We typically complete residential projects within one day unless the project is very large or there is unexpected weather. We will pick up dump trailers used at the job site 24 to 48 hours after the roof is completed. Please do not place household items or trash in the dump trailer. And just a friendly reminder, your first payment is due upon the completion of the roof on the day of the build. We do our best to make the roof installation process as simple as possible with little disruption to your day. Hopefully, this information helps you understand what to expect for your upcoming roof installation. But if you have any questions at all, just call us at 770-685-0225.